Alright, here's a little video of what is working and what isn't working. This is our rover. It has two tread segments. We bought we bought 3 of the 2-inch tracks and cut one of them in, so we used 1.5 on this side and 1.5 on this side. We have the 2 motors that I've listed on the post with 1.1 microfarad caps across each lead to the housing, and then from across each lead, in between each lead. And then the housing is also grounded to our circuit. We've twisted all the wires together to reduce EMF. These are the bumper switches. They're basically just a limit switch. And we have them normally closed right now, so when they trigger, they're supposed to close and disconnect the circuit. And here we have them pulled low with 10K resistors. So the tank will drive along until the bumpers are hit. So it pushes in and it will open one of the switches. That's supposed to be the normal operation, and then it runs into an interrupt subroutine. There's our pick, and then it will blink that red LED 3 times. These are our H bridges. We have some heat sinks on them. They're both in parallel, and sorry the zoom doesn't work on my phone after I started, but there's the diodes, like I've documented, isolating the voltage is supposed to go back. And then here's our cell phone batteries. Craig corrected me, they're actually lithium ion, not lithium polymer, and they soldered them in a configuration to get 16.8 volts. So right now it's suspended above the ground so they won't touch by these blocks. And when I turn it on, what it should do is it should just continually drive forward. So here we go. So as you can see, the tracks are turning just fine. No problems at all. Put a stall on the motor, and then it creates a voltage spike. It's interstall. As soon as the motors stall, then it spikes and triggers these interrupts, which haven't even been electrically triggered. So it's sending a spike back to the chip and triggering it when the motors get stalled. If it just runs like this, it could run forever. And it's supposed to go, it goes back when it hits the floor. So now I'm going to do it on the ground. And you'll notice the clacking that I'm talking about. Right here, as the things roll around, they kind of flap as they move along. And I think that's what's causing it. But here's the forward demonstration. So it was not supposed to go backwards. That means that it's triggered the interrupts before the bumpers have actually been hit. It's just supposed to continue to drive forward. Hope somebody can help us figure this out. Thanks.